Palmer surprised me. I'm not even, before we even get into it, I'm going to say I like these products before we even move forward, because Palmer's is coming with it. YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another Curlbox video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you and also demoing the Curlbox November 2021 box. If you're not familiar with Curlbox, or this is the first time that you've come across my channel, welcome. Welcome. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for all of your support. But I will be sharing with you what came in the November 2021 Curlbox. If you're not familiar with Curlbox, Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. It's $5 shipping. I'm in the state of Georgia, so I do pay a little bit of tax on that. And you're billed on a recurring basis, and you receive a Curlbox that you don't know anything about. A lot of times they may offer like little, they may give you like little clues, but it's kind of like a surprise every month. If that's something that you're interested in trying different hair products, because one thing I really love about Curlbox that I say in most or a majority of my videos is that I love being exposed to all the different products, to try on my hair, to see what my hair likes, because I don't know if your hair is like this, but my hair changes a lot. Some products that I feel like that I just love, sometimes I use them and sometimes my hair may not like it, and then other times it may love it. So it's great to try new and also different products. So we usually receive about 5 to 6 hair care products. It's usually within the same line. Sometimes they will mix it up. Now, if you're an individual that's interested in trying out different products, newly natural, been natural for years, or just want to treat your hair, even if you wear wigs, Curlbox is a great subscription to have. If you don't want the monthly subscription or the monthly commitment, Curlbox does offer, I'll list their link below in the description box. They do offer what they call non-subscription box, where to just, you know, boxes that you can go online and just purchase at your own leisure without any commitment. This month I'm going to be sharing with you the November 2021 Curlbox, and most of the Curlboxes come like this. They have been really creative lately, and we have received boxes that were in the orange, like the Ultra Curlbox, or even the black. I believe the September Curlbox was in black. It was the JCPenney Salon Collabo. I will leave that link listed below where I did review those products. Your Curlbox, you always receive a theme, a cue card, and this theme is called Super Slip. And then it shows the list of all the items that were received in the Curlbox. We also received a coupon. You get save $1.50 on any Palmer's coconut oil formula product. So it came with a coupon this month. Okay, now this particular Curlbox did not include a shampoo. I do have a shampoo from a previous Curlbox that I pulled that was part of the Palmer's, because Palmer's is being featured. The Palmer's Moisture Boost is the product line that's being featured. But I had, since this box didn't contain a shampoo, I did have the Palmer's Length Retention Shampoo, and I really love this shampoo. I did do a product review on this product line. I believe we had this box maybe about 5 or 6 months ago. I will leave the direct link to that video if you want to just check that out and see. But I really like this product. I mean, Palmer surprised me. I'm not even, before we even get into it, I'm going to say I like these products before we even move forward, because Palmer's is coming with it. I mean, when I think about Palmer's, when I first seen it, when they sent the first box, the first thing that my mind immediately went to was like skincare, but the hair products are really nice. Let's go ahead and get into the hair products and what I used to achieve this look. So I shampooed with that, and then I followed up with their Moisture Boost Conditioner. And these products smell really good. It's created for all curl patterns and the textures. It has Tahitian Manoia, detangles, protects color, restores, softens, and shines. And it smells so good. It actually smells like, it reminds me of like coconut butter. It smells so nice. Okay, and this is said to system restores hair experiencing dryness or damage with natural reparatives that instantly and deeply lock in moisture from from root to tip, visibly improving your hair condition after each use. Why will you love the coconut oil and Tahitian oil? Coconut oil contains fatty acids that quickly and deeply absorb into the hair strands, adding and sealing in moisture to keep healthy, shiny, and hair manageable. I have freshly washed hair. I will share with you in the video what I use. This is a product that I've used previously and I really like it. It is part of the Palmer's family. I do have a product review on this product line, so I'll make sure I leave that video link below in the description box. But this Palmer's brand is for the coconut oil with vitamin Moisture Boost conditioner. This Moisture Boost is created for all curl types, patterns, and textures. The Tahitian Monoi reparative system with instant penetration from root to tip for healthier looking hair, detangles, protects color, restores softness, and shines. Committed to responsible sourcing. So I freshly washed hair. Now I'm going to go in with this conditioner. These products smell so good. It kind of smells like shea butter. Look how thick that is. I love a thick conditioner, so I'm going to put a generous amount of this in the hair to condition. It's really melting into the hair. I like that. I like Palmer's. I really do. My experiences on using the other products, feels real nice. Smells so good. Be sure to check out my previous video. I just came out of Protective Style. This box did include a deep conditioner that I will be using with a cap for deep penetration. Protective Style always like to deep condition the hair. Yeah, this is really nice. A generous amount of this in for conditioning. My hair is really growing. Was glad to try this product with the Moisture Boost because I did recently, if you follow the channel, I did recently come out of Protective Style. I'll leave that video link below where I was wearing the crochet box braids. So it was good to have something to assist with moisture in the hair. It's white in color. And like I said, it smelled really good. It smelled like coconut butter. But it's white and it's really creamy. I love creamy textured products. White in color and extremely creamy. So I followed up with that. And then also in the box, either pre or post Protective Style or when I'm putting my hair away, I always love to either deep condition or do a mask treatment on my hair. So I was glad when I saw this product. And this is the Moisture Boost Deep Conditioner. It also has a Tahitian Monoi. Intensely nourishes and revitalizes locks and moisture. Yes, I'm all about the moisture. And look how creamy. I did use a generous amount of this. The hair is freshly conditioned. It's actually really soft and it feels really good. A lot of times my hair will feel really stripped. So conditioner, okay. Now we're going to move into the deep conditioner Moisture Boost with the Tahitian Monoi. Looks like this. And this is a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost System. Restores hair experiencing dryness or damage with natural reparatives that instantly and deeply lack in moisture from root to tip. Visibly improves your hair conditioner after each use. Now I'm going to put this on. It states for you to use a shower cap and heat for a deeper penetration and or follow the Palmer's Coconut Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Okay. Let's follow up with the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so it comes like these. Here's that. Real nice and creamy. Very nice and creamy. Thick. That's what I like. That's exactly what I like. I'm going to put a generous amount of this through the hair. Going to coat the hair from root to tip. It's nice. Yeah, it smells so nice. Kind of reminds me of the Palmer's Coconut Butter, the lotion. It smells nice. So it's really nice. How thick that is. Yep. I'm going to leave this in the hair for about 10 minutes. Put on my shower cap. I'm not going to get under my heated dryer or anything. I'm just going to put it on and let it sit. Let me make sure I just recoat the tips again. Make sure I get them tips fully all over the head. I'm going to take my parents and just my plastic hat, put this on. I'm going to leave this on for about 10-15 minutes and I'll rinse it out and come back and let you know how the hair is feeling. Okay, this is the Hair Fresh from the Deep Conditioner. I put one of my plastic caps on and sat under it for 15 minutes. Very, very soft. Feels really hydrated. So I'm about to detangle. I'll do a leave-in conditioner. Then I'll follow up with the featured moisturizer in this video. And my hair, extremely creamy, smells really good. It's real thick, nice, creamy. I did put this on my hair. It did tell you to use a, you can use either a shower cap or use heat to help intensify your treatment. I didn't sit under my hooded dryer because I didn't really have that much time, but I did put on a cap. I put on a plastic cap and I allowed it to sit for like 20 minutes and, you know, for deeper penetration. This box also did not come in with a leave-in conditioner. I did want to do a full leave-in. So I did have this from a previous box. I believe it's an old box from last year. Again, that's what I love about Curlbox, because they always throw in, you know, extra products or additional things for you to try. I believe I received this in a body box a while, I think over a year ago. But this is the leave-in and this is part of the Palmer's family. So I always try to, if there's not a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, or something that's in the same line as with the products that received in the box, I usually look on my shelf of products. I basically have like a hair store with all the hair products that I have, and I'll just pull and put together products from that particular hairline. So this is the Coconut Butter and Biotin Length Retention Leave-In Conditioner. It is a spray conditioner. It was really nice, thick and color. I used that in also the previous Palmer's box because it didn't include a leave-in. What I use as my moisturizer is I use the Moisture Boost Pro Length Treatment Tahitian Monoi. This is so nice. This reminds me of the other moisturizer that I use in the hair from the Palmer's length retention video, which I said I'll link below. And to me, it actually looks like, when you look at it, it's really thick. It feels like a clay, but on completely washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, I did a leave-in and detangled the hair. Smells really good. It's extremely soft. We're going to move into the Moisturizer Pro Length Treatment with Tahitian Monoi, the same family. This is going to be the moisturizer. Like I just mentioned, I did do a leave-in and I'll share what I used in the leave-in, but it wasn't in the Curlbox. Okay, and look, this kind of reminds me, I'm going to link my old video. It's really, really creamy, cream base. I'm going to do my Ever Faithful. So I'm going to do chunky 2-strand twist and put the rods at the end. But yeah, this smells really good. The Pro Length with Biotin review, I'll leave that link, and it's a similar texture. It's kind of like a clay texture. I really liked it, and this seems like it's going to remind me of that same product. So I'm going to use a generous amount of this, and I love the results. Like I said, I'll list that video. My hair looked amazing in that video. And it dissolves really nice on the hair. And again, these products smell extremely good. So it dissolved down. And what I decided to do, if you follow the channel, I'm really simple with my hair. I don't do a lot of manipulation with my natural hair. I did a chunky 2-strand twist, and I followed up and put my curling rods on the end, and I came up and I ended up with this. These are the final results. I allowed the hair to dry. I then removed the twist, and my hair is very, very hydrated, very bouncy. Like it's not stiff or anything like that. I really like it. I really like the results of this. This is a hairstyle because based on how curly it is and how well set the curls are, I can wear this for a week. I'll just pineapple the hair at night, take it down, and put a little bit of the moisturizer on it, just a little bit, and I wear this for a week or until it starts to look you know, until it starts to look a little dull or whatever. And then but I can probably go through this hairstyle for a week. So overall, I really like the products that I did use. Now, there were a few items that I did not use that came in the box. Refresher, this is the Curl Refresher. It also has a Tahitian oil on it. It hydrates and refreshes extended hair, reduces frizz. I guess this is the Refresher hair. This system restores hair experience dryness of damage with natural repairatives with instantly and deeply lock in moisture from, okay, and that's for all of them. But this product is to revive curls between wash days, adds moistures and definitions to prolong style, reactivates natural curl pattern. Now, this is a spray bottle and it does look very liquid in texture. So I will not be using this one. What I'm going to do is check out my Poshmark. I have a Poshmark closet. So for my next Poshmark sale, I will include this as a freebie inside the Poshmark purchase. So make sure you check out my Poshmark closet. It'll be listed below in the description box. So I'm going to add that to my next Poshmark sale. Also included in the box, we got the Moisture Boost Protein Packs. Intense moisturizer treatment restores dry damaged hair over processed or color treated hair. So this whole product line is good for color treated hair as well. Concentrated strengthened treatment smooths rough and damaged hair cuticles, deeply penetrates, improves hair and manageability. Immediately after shampooing with Palmer's coconut oil formula shampoo, apply a protein pack generously and work through root to tip and allow to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes. These packs here, I usually take these with me when I travel and I want to do some type of hair treatment. I usually take my hair packs because, you know, of course you can't travel with anything over 3 ounces unless you're checking something. And so I usually don't pack anything too big for my hair when I'm traveling. So I use my hair packs. So it came with that. And last but not least was we received, this is an old time goodie and one of my favorite, is the coconut oil body lotion. I know everybody's familiar with this. No parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils, fair trade coconut. This is oldie but goodie. See, this is the type of thing I think about. This is the old Palmer's body lotion. This is old school. The body lotion that came in there, that was cool. They included that. And see, it has that butter. Smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to do something special on the channel. We're going to have a giveaway. I'm going to do a Curlbox giveaway. It's going to be really simple. It's simple to enter the giveaway. You have to, of course, be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video. You have to share this video. You can share it to any social media site, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, however you like, TikTok. Make sure you follow my TikTok. I just started TikTok. Direct link will be below. You can share it to TikTok. And all you have to do or put in the comments is enter me and where you shared it. If you share it on Facebook, you just put enter me in Facebook. And how this is going to work is the winner will receive a Curlbox of their choice. And how that will work is 2 weeks. I'll put the exact date that the is going to close out, and I'll pull the names within 3 days from that date that the video closes out. That individual will be contacted directly by me. You will go to the Curlbox website in whatever box, because like I mentioned, they always have the non-subscription boxes on sale. Whatever box you're interested in or you like, you'll just reach back out to me. I'm going to give you 3 days. From the time I contact you, I'm going to then give you 3 days to get back with me with what Curlbox you're interested in. And then I will in turn go ahead and purchase that Curlbox and have it sent directly to you. So once you contact me, you'll send me a screenshot or the name of the Curlbox that you're interested in, along with a mailing address where I can have that Curlbox sent to you. So if you're not subscribed, you can get the Curlbox experience. You know, you get the box, you get the pamphlet, you get all the goodies. So please make sure you enter, and good luck. As always, if you use these products or familiar with them, if you have any favorites or non-favorites, please leave your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.